What's happening, traders? I hope y'all doing well on this Monday. I was kind of a little busy on Father's Day, so I didn't get a chance to shoot our weekly video, but here I am. You know I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the dollar, but I wanna go pull up Forex Factory real quick. Let's see what news we got coming. All right. Empire State Manufacturing. Oh, that came out. Let me switch the share this tab instead. There we go. Now I can see what I'm looking at. Um so this is forecast to be -12, came out -6, so that's positive on the USD right there. So we got a little bit of positivity coming out on the USD. Out the gate on the week. We'll have core retails month over month and regular retail coming out tomorrow morning, early morning. So it should I think something's setting up. It looks like, I mean, just from looking at a few of the drops coming, something might be setting up for the 8 o'clock sequence tomorrow. Um and then Wednesday we got not much going on. And then Thursday's a big day. Looks like, yeah, we got unemployment claims coming out for the dollar, monetary policy summary coming out on the pound. Ah, Barkin's gonna speak. Anytime anybody from the FOMC speaks, we're gonna get some type of market reaction. You know what I mean? Then flash services PMI coming out. Shouldn't be too much going on with this. I think this is all pretty. A lot of this info is kind of being priced in as we speak. But I mean, like, we could get some surprises. So don't take my word for it. Friday retail sales on the pound. Flash manufacturing on the euro dollar. So we should see some like 30 pip plus moves on forex pairs this week. It looks like, from just a fundamental standpoint. Now, granted, if things come out how they're exactly how they're forecasted, then it'll be a lot more mixed. But um, let's take a look at the chart and see about it. Where is? Oh, take it. Get that out the way. All right. Dollar daily. So dollar hit like did a little bullish rally. You feel me? I don't know why I have those lines right there. I don't remember actually. I don't remember why. But let's get them out of there. Um, we broke through what was a little quote unquote resistance. You understand what I'm saying? Right here, we kind of broke through that and settled up above that. So, um, we're really trading. We're really trading. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. I don't even know what I pressed to do that. I ain't gonna lie. It's dead. That's why I said it like that. I had charged it on it. Oh. Um. Yeah, we're trading above this little line right here, for real. So, um, the dollar looks like it wants to be strongest for a little while. So, I'm not gonna go against uh what's the trend, and if this data continues to come out positive, then we'll continue to go higher. So I'll be looking. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'll be looking for some kind of pullback into this area here. Maybe a little retest of this for real. Or 30 minute. Um, Now, granted, she could just keep booming. Just we are seeing more positive data come out, and if that's the case, then she could keep sliding. But what goes up must come down. It usually doesn't. We usually don't see stuff like this get left behind too much. So what I'll do is I'll grab in times like this I'll grab a little Fibonacci tool, long position LOL. And all right, so we might see a trap around this area just because anything. I mean, listen, a 38 retracement ain't terrible, but I want something in this golden area I got right here. You feel me? So I want to pull back into this little 104, 104.98, 105.1 kinda 105, yeah, 105.1 kind of area. Between that is where I want to get in at. For real, for real. That'd be most optimal for me personally. And I was thinking that after I put the line up and pulled it up, I was like, let me pull the fill up because it looks like a very tiny pullback for this run that happened. And we could only get a tiny pullback and then slide off. Like that really could be the case. But what I'd like to see would be most optimal for me would be a pullback into just below this little line I got right here. Um, yeah, so let's look at the euro dollar. Um, we'll be looking for somewhat the opposite for the euro dollar really. Um, I'll be looking for her to slide up into this, make it like a little draw tool or something. Actually, not. Kind of slide up in here, play around a bit, and then go for another push down. Break those lows and slide lower down towards this 1.059 ish zone for the next week or two. It'll be a very similar move on the Aussie dollar and the pound dollar. The trade of the week, which I'll be live trading myself. I forgot which one it was. Give me 1 second. Let me find it in my phone. So I wrote it down. Oh shit, USD Chef. That's what I wanted to trade. Yeah. USD Chef is so weak. See, the thing about it is, like, I'm wary about selling. Honestly, I might not even actually trade this because I'm wary about selling the USD while positive data is coming out on it. Granted, go ahead to Forex Factory. Make sure I ain't tripping. We could see some extra positive data. Sorry, yawned. Coming out with on the chef because we got red folder on monetary policy dropping on the 20th. So that's Thursday. So that means if it is gonna be on the sell side, it'll more than likely happen before then. So we'll probably sell into that Oh shoot, I forgot to switch over the screen. But yeah, this is what I was talking about. We got this coming out. So depending on how this pushes, either trading up until or trading after Thursday might be optimal if you want to trade that. Oh, let's go back to the charts. And let's look at Nas. Yeah. Yeah, no. It looks way worse than, like when I first put it up, I was like, damn, I lost a trade like that. But it's like, nah, I forgot I left this box up forever. Um, cause I missed I know I missed last week's video. Y'all don't flame me too hard. I missed last week's video, but I had a lot going on. But let's go ahead and get rid of that. But this trade was amazing. We ate so much off of that. Jesus. Um, but Nas is like super bullish. There's like I'm always worried about selling Nas. We got in, got out, made our money, but I'm always worried about selling Nas because it's always so bullish. Um, but I'd like to see some drawback here into this area here before another push higher. Um, I feel like that's probably what we'll see. Probably level out in this zone, and then we'll probably see some type of news, some type of catalyst that comes out that helps push her back higher. So next move I'll be looking for is a down move on Nasdaq, NASUSD. Gold. Gold is being weird because I'm still in this trade on the big account. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Um, like so, go on the 4 hour, and it's like a really smooth double bottom. You know what I mean? And it's like, and not this video, but or not last week's video, but like 2 weeks ago. You go and scroll through because there's a playlist for all the weekly breakdown videos. At some point, I talked about gold, and I said I wanted it to make. I wanted after it did this. I said I wanted it to come down, and it'll make the double bottom I was looking for it to make the a real good buy off of. So now we have this double bottom completed. Boom, boom. You feel me? And I'll be looking. I'm still looking for her to slide towards the upside. Now she folds. She folds, but it's what I've been looking for and planning for a while. So sticking to the trade. I'm gonna move this box over. I'm not editing the entry or anything like that. Just moving the box over. Cause it's longer time trade than I thought it was gonna be. I ain't gonna lie, but there was some news catalysts that kind of kept us in this little zone that we're in right here. You know what I mean? Um, but yeah, I'm still looking for upside on gold right now. What else? We got the Hui or the Hui. Let's look at NZD CAD. What did NZD CAD do? Um, Going back towards these, it bought. It damn sure bought. We were looking for. I know around here is when I started looking for the buys, to happen. I didn't trade all of them yet. I traded a little bit and then got out because I just wanted to see how it would act. Now, if this area here, like about right here ish, folds and she melts through and gets here, we're going here for a bounce. If it doesn't get through this area and starts buying here, then it's time to go higher. I'll say it one more time. She comes down and melts through this and gets to this area. If she gets to 0.83189 ish, she's gonna go here for the bounce. Might wick a little bit lower. I doubt it, but she's gonna go here for the bounce, and we'll go higher. But if it doesn't break through this here and starts to give momentum, then we're going higher. Either way, we're going higher, chat. Okay? We're going higher. You understand me? All right? It's already breaking out. This is big time frame stuff. This is big swing stuff. You understand what I'm saying? All right? All right. I said it twice. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. I don't gotta say it no more times. Bitty. Bitty bit wop. So I called this on one of I should clear my boxes because it looks like I'm bad. I should definitely be clearing my boxes before I shoot videos. But we called this little breakout. She broke out. We caught the buy, secured our trade, and then she came and stopped us out. Happens a lot. You know what I mean? Especially when you're trading Bitcoin on big time frames. You know what I mean? It's fine. You know what I mean? We were looking to go higher. She didn't. She stopped us out in profit. That's fine. That's cool. Um, from here, I'll say we're probably gonna go a little lower. But I've been saying that. I said we were going lower up here. Went lower. I said we are gonna catch a breakout here. Caught a breakout. We're back down. And we're likely gonna keep selling down to at a very minimum, we'll go touch 61.2k real quick, and most likely gonna fold through that and slide back down towards this what is it 52k area. We're probably gonna start trading in here for a little while, melt through this, and then start trading in here for a little while before the market decides what it wants to really do. Because we could trade in here for a little while and then go higher again, or we could trade in this area and then melt through and go lower. You know what I mean? So we'll find out when we get there. But I'm just giving you the now move. Right now we're going lower. And then same thing on. And last but not least, we will look at the oil. Oh my god, that's so like. Look at this. It did exactly like I've been drawing. Like the same drawing has been up on oil like for weeks. Like you can go back to the videos and see, and it just looks so oracle-ish. You know what I mean? But I was just a tad bit off with this line down here. But these lines don't really mean anything for real. They're just kind of like me to pay attention to areas of interest to trap price in my mind to what I mean, like gauge what's going on. So she dropped down, gave us this bounce that we were looking for, bounced up, and now we'll be looking for oil to go a little lower. This is kind of like a retracement. I still have that up. Jesus, it was so beautiful though, but price is doing what I'm been thinking it's been doing. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna do what I already thought it was about to do. So pretty sure we're gonna go lower from here and get some type of formation, maybe a drop, retest, and a push down to actually get to this line and through this line and go a little lower. Yeah, oil prices are going down, guys. That means gas prices are gonna go lower a little bit. You understand what I'm saying? So it's time to start, filling up. You know what I mean? You can start spending just a little bit more money to fill it. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Like, not a little bit more money. I didn't mean to say that. A little bit less money to fill your tanks up. You understand what I'm saying? So you gotta be mindful of these things. Gotta be mindful of the price of oil. You know what I mean? Is very important. I don't know if y'all seen it, but shit. I think it was Saudi Arabia. Yeah. Or Dubai. Nah, listen. I just woke up, but one of the very, 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 very big countries. I honestly scrolled past it while I was at work. I didn't actually dive into it as much as I need to, which I'm gonna do after this video. But one of the bigger countries has like stopped using the U.S. dollar for oil, and they didn't renew the agreement that they had with the U.S. to always price their oil in U.S. dollars. So basically unpegging the US dollar from their oil. You know what I mean? And this is one of the largest oil producers in the world. So, um, yeah. This bullish run for the dollar is fabricating itself. Yes, because the dollar is about to crash into nothingness. You understand? The dollar's about to crash into nothingness. All right? Oil's falling, but it's not gonna be as good for us as it is for the rest of the world because we use US dollars. It's going to take more US dollars to get oil pretty soon. Once, like, it hasn't, for some reason, it's not making major headlines or anything like that. Like, I saw it off the humbug, and well, it's going to cause a lot to really change with the US dollar and how it's perceived worldwide very soon. So we'll start seeing market conditions change and react to that as we move into the summer session. We will be having the summer slams coming up. Um, they'll be starting. Actually, um, they start this week. They start on Wednesday. The Summer Slam sessions are me basically trading Nasdaq live for the morning 8 o'clock to 9:30 candle. So come slide. You feel me? Tap in, make some money. When you hop in the lives, remember it's not official trading advice. I am a financial behavioral specialist, and I have a decade of Forex trading under my belt. But if you decide to risk too damn much and lose your account, that is not my fault. That is on you, buddy. Okay? You should go watch the How to Trade Forex Like a Boss series, and you'll know not to do that. All right? I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.